stitches of love we sew. In this online world we come to grow. Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, where hearts align. Let's embrace the craft and let our souls shine.
Hey everyone, welcome to Longarm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. We have a very cute little Christmassy feeling quilt on the Longarm today. It's got a lovely snowy background. We chose red thread for the stitch out. It's got red backing with a little black and white and red. I think there's red or gray. Snowflakes on it as well. And here we go. We're just going to finish stitching it up. The stitch out is six swirling snow. So there's 6 snowflakes swirling in the snow per stitch out as it goes. Okay. So we have 1, 2, hold on, 2, 4, I think it's 5 stitch outs. So per row. And it was 1, 2, 3, 5 rows down. It's super cute. It's been fun to work on. I love the easiness of the block, but it's also very pretty. It's got a 5-inch square and then 2 little strips, and I believe they're 5 by 2.5 on either side. And then you'll have the strips coming along here, which is 2.5 by probably, I would think, 10 at that point. So, lovely. Comes together quite quickly. It's a great buster. If you ever got yourself a nice little Christmas charm pack, which I did last year by Lori Clark. She gave me a Christmassy charm pack. So this actually kind of inspired me to maybe use that charm pack in this way. Of course, each square would be like the Christmassy theme, but I like it. I like it with the black too, because the black really kind of pulls it all together. Loving the green and the texture of the red, and there's another black around here. You may see it on some of the footage. And just before it gets to the end, check out some of the footage of it stitching out in between. Thank you for watching that footage. I do take the time to shoot it, so it's appreciative when you take the time to view it. Lovely. I love how that red thread shows up on the black. It is just so pretty. We've got some really cute material. I love the trees right here. That is so cute. And I love there's like a little story going on here. There's some words, and I don't know what the story is. Maybe it's a song. Maybe it's "We wish you a very Merry Christmas. We wish you a very Merry Christmas." We're almost done. Then we get the big reveal. Really some of my favorite parts of the quilting. There we go, done. Okay, Thank you everybody for watching, liking, and subscribing. Subscribing and liking really does help the channel. Feel free to leave a comment. We do read them. Don't always sometimes get a chance to respond. Oh, this is so pretty. I think it was 64 by 58, so not absolutely huge, but definitely great for the couch, the bed, extra little layer. It looks so pretty, absolutely gorgeous. And then this lovely backing that just shows everything off, and you can see how the quilting looks really nice on it. So beautiful. Oh, it feels lovely too. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Really greatly appreciate it. And thank you, Pauline, for believing in me and your quilts. Big hugs, everybody. We'll see you soon.